Hello students, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today, from mathematics subject, playing with numbers topic we are going to learn. One minute. So our today's concept is factors. Today, in this video, regarding factors we are going to learn. If you observe this multiplication, 4 into 7 equals to 28. So here 28 is the product of 4 and 7. 28 is the product of 4 and 7 means 28, this 28 can be divided by 4. 4 7 times 28 means can be divided by 4 completely. In the same way 7 4 times 28. It is divisible by both 4 and 7 completely or exactly or with the remainder 0. With the remainder 0. So these 4 and 7 are called factors of 28. Factors of 28. Or these two are the factors of this product. Here 28 is the product. Here 28 is the product. And the numbers which are involved in the product, they are called as factors. They are called as factors. If you take the example of 18, if you take the example of 18, we know that 1 into 18 equals to 18 or 2 into 9 equals to 18. 2 into 9 equals to 18 or 3 into 6 equals to 18. Means 18 can be written in three different forms. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Here two numbers 1 and 18 are involved. Here 2 and 9. Here 3 and 6. So from here, if we start from 1, downside 2, downside 3, right side 6, upside 9, upside 18. So this 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These 6 numbers are involved in the product of this 18. So these 6 numbers are considered as factors of 18. Factors of 18. Okay. Means this 18 can be divisible by any of these 6 numbers exactly with the remainder 0. With the remainder 0. So a factor of a number is the number which divides the number exactly. So factor is a number which divides the given number exactly without remainder or with remainder 0. That is called as a factor. So if we take the example of 15, if you take the example of 15 with 5 3 times 15, remainder is 0. 15 is divisible by 5, means 5 is a factor of 15. Whereas same 15, if you try to divide with 10, so 10 1 times 10. What is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder. Means 15 is not completely divisible by 10. So for number 15, 5 is a factor and 10 is not a factor. 5 is a factor and 10 is not a factor. In the same way, for the number 20 also, 7 is not a factor because with 7 we cannot divide 20. Okay. So what is factor, children? If it divides any number which divides the given number completely or exactly or with remainder 0, that is called as a factor of given number. Factor of given number. So then what about 1? What 1 is factor of which number? If you take any number like 17 or 1700, any bigger number, any lesser number. So every number is exactly divisible by 1. So here you can take any number 15, 20, 31, 49. You can take any number. So 115 times 15, remainder is 0. So 120 times 20, remainder is 0. While dividing 31, 131 times 31, remainder is 0. Means any number can be divided by 1. So 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor of all natural numbers. 1 is a factor of all natural numbers. So not only 1, if you take a number like 7, 7 is divisible by 7. 7 1 times 7, 0. Or if you take 92, 92 is divisible by 92 because 92 1 times 92, remainder 0. Or if you take 101, 101 is divisible by 101, 105 1 times 101, remainder is 0. Means any number can be divided by the same number. Any number can be divided by the same number. So here, but which number? 0 we should not consider because 0 by 0 does not exist, because 0 should not be in the place of a divisor. 0 should not be in the place of divisor. So that's why 0 is an exception. Every non-zero number, we can take any non-zero number, it is divided by the same non-zero number exactly. Same non-zero number exactly. So every non-zero number is a factor of itself because it divides it exactly. It divides it exactly. So what we can tell, you can take, suppose if you have given any number like 19, without doing any calculation, directly we can guess two factors. One is 1, another one is 19. So 1 is factor of every number, same number is factor of that number. Same number is factor of that number. So 119. 119. Next note. So here 0 is an exception for this because 0 by 0 it is not divisible. While considering the two factors, we won't consider 0 because 0 cannot be used as a divisor. 0 cannot be used as a divisor. So if we take 19, 19 is having only two factors, 1 comma 19. Whereas if we take 18, 18 is having so many factors. Just now we have told 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So one number can have only two factors. One number can have many factors. There is no compulsory rule that all of them should have two factors or all of them should have four factors. Like that, there is no rule. According to the number of factors will depend. But if you observe the nature of factors, how are they? 1 is less than 18, 2 is less than 18, 3 is less than 18, 6 less than 18, 9 less than 18, but 18 is equal to 18. Means all factors are less than or equal to 18. All factors are less than or equal to 18. So that's why number of factors are countable. Number of factors are countable means finite number. Number of factors of 18 are 6. Only 6. Like that we can count. Number of factors are finite numbers. Why they are finite? They are less than or equal to that number. They are less than or equal to that number. That's why they are finite. Okay. Next. So find all the factors of 72. Find all the factors of 72. So we can write it as 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, 8 into 9. 8 into 9. After that, 9 into 8 will come. Means 9 into 8. Next one, 9 into 8 will come. It is repeated. It is repeated. So from after this, next, if we try to write the factors, all will be repeated in reverse order. Because this 9 into 8 is repeated, 8 into 9. Next number, 12 into 6 we can write, but already it is repeated, 6 into 12. So that's why. So when we got one product as repeated product, from then onwards, no need to write the other factors. We can count this. That's all. So one here, in the first product, two factors are involved. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So total 72 is having 12 factors. Total 72 is having 12 factors. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Like this, it is having 12 factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5 is missing. Means 5 is not a factor. Means 72 is not divisible by 5. Here 6 and between 8, 7 is missing. It is not a factor. 10, 11. In between whatever numbers are there, they are not factors of 72. They are not factors of 72. Like this, with the help of this multi-product tables, we can find factors of any number. Next, which of the following have 15 as the factor? So one number is 15,625. Another number is 15,1230. For these two numbers, for which number 15 is a factor? That we have to find. How to find factor? If it divides the given number exactly, then 15 will be a factor. Means with 15, we have to divide this 15,625. 15,625. If you do the division, so first let's take two letters, 15. 15 one time, 15. 6 we can take down, but 6 is less than 15. So we can keep 0 here. We can take next number 2. Then it will become 62. 15 4 times, 60. 2 will come. Next we can carry down 5, 25. 15 1 times 15. So 10 is the remainder. 10 is the remainder. So does not divide exactly. 15 does not divide exactly this number. So it is not a factor. 15 is not a factor of this number. Let's see second one with 15. We can take 15 here. 15 1 times 15. 1 we can carry down, but 1 will be smaller than 15. We can keep 0. Next number 2 we can carry down. Then it will become 12, but still smaller than 15. We can keep another 0 here. We can take next one. Then it will become 123. 15 8 times 120. 3 is remaining. Next 0 we will carry down. 15 2 times 30, 0. So here remainder is 0. Means exactly divisible. So it is a factor. So 15 is a factor of for this second number, not for the first number. Not for the first number. Next. Next. Without actual division, show that 19 is a factor of 190019. So we have to tell 19 is a factor of this number. Means in this number 19 is present or multiples of 19 are present. That we have to prove. That we have to prove. So 190019 can be written as 190000 plus 19. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. 1,90,000. This can be written as 19 into 10,000. 1,90,000 can be written as 19 into 10,000 plus 19 extra. Now this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the first term. This is the second term. In these two terms, 19 is common. 19 we can take it out. So 10,000 plus 1 or 19 into 10,000 plus 1, 10,001. So 1,90,019 can be written as 19 into 10,001. So 19 is a factor of this one. 10,001 also is a factor of this product. So okay, like this, without division also we can find the factors. We can find the factors. Next, multiples. So till now we have learned about factors. Now multiples. So here 5 into 7, 35. So this is a mathematical sentence. 5 into 7 equals to 35. It's a mathematical sentence. In previous example, what we have told, 5, 7 are factors. 36 is the product. Like that we have told. But the product 35, we can also call it as multiple. 5, 7 are factors of 35. Like that we can tell. Or 35 is the multiple of 5 and 7. 35 is the multiple of 5 and 7. Like that also we can tell. Means 30, what we are telling 35 is the multiple of 5. Means a multiple of any natural number is the number formed by multiplying that number by any other number. By any other number. Suppose if we have 6, what are the multiples of 6? If we want to find the multiples of 6, what we have to do? 6 into 0, 6. Sorry, 0. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. This 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, next 30, next 36. Like that we can have infinite number of multiples for number 6. For if they ask multiples of 6, we can multiply it with starting from 0 to any number, because whole numbers are infinite. Like that multiples of 6 also infinite. There is no limit to multiple. There is no limit to multiples of any number. But if they ask, because in the multiples 0 also involved, if they ask only natural number multiples, or if they ask only non-zero multiples, then this 0 we cannot include, because they are asking only multiples which are natural numbers or which are non-zero. So then we can write from 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 in 6 table. Multiples of 6 means in 6 tables whatever results you will get. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 times 12, 6 3 times 18. That all numbers you can write. That all numbers you can write. So if you observe this, what we have observed, the multiple of 6 is starting with 6. Means every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay. And what is the nature of all the multiples? They are equal to 6 or they are greater than 6. So here non-zero multiple, not 0. 0 is less than 6. So the nature of non-zero multiples is they are greater than or equal to the number. They are greater than or equal to the number. As they are greater than 6, the largest multiple we cannot tell, because they are infinitely many. They are infinitely many multiples. There are infinitely many multiples out there. Okay. Okay, next. Next with 1. 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2. Or 1 3 is 3. Like that. What we can tell, every number is a multiple of 1. So any number we can write as a product of 1 and that number. Suppose if you are having 16, so we can write 1 into 16. So 1 is a multiple of 16. Sorry, 1 minute. So here 16 is a multiple of 1. 16 is a multiple of 1. Or if you take 21, we can write it as 1 into 21. So 21 is a multiple of 1. 21 is a multiple of 1. Like that. So for any number or any number we can take, that will be the multiple of 1. It will be the multiple of 1. Next. So list the first 5 multiples of 16. First 5 multiples of 16. So normally, whenever they ask multiples, we will consider non-zero multiples only. Though they have mentioned or not mentioned, we will take non-zero multiples only. But when they mention whole numbers, then we have to take 0. We now list first 5 multiples of 16. Means starting from 16 one time, 16 two times, 16 three times, 4 times, 5 times. These products will be the multiples of 16. 16 one is 16, 16 two times 32, 48, 64, 80. These 5 are the first 5 multiples of 16. Next, write the 12th multiple of 75. So, 12th multiple of 75 means no need to write like this 75 1, 75 2, like that, no need to count, because they are asking 12th multiple of 75. So directly we can write 75 into 12. Directly we can write 75 into 12, which is 900. No need to, like this, no need to write. Starting from 1, no need to write, because they are asking 12th multiple. Directly we can multiply with 12, we will get the answer. Next, write the odd multiples of 19 less than 150. They are asking us to write odd multiples, means multiples formed by multiplying with odd numbers, like 19 1, 3 is the odd number, 5 is the odd number, 7 is the odd number, like that. 19 one time, 19, 57, 95, 33. If we do 19 into 9, 19 into 9, 9 9 times 81, 9 1 times 9 plus 8, 171. This will be greater than 150. But they are asking us to write less than 150. So 19 one time, 19, 57, 95, 133. These 4 we can write. These 4 we can write. Like that, they may ask odd multiples. So then the product with odd numbers only we have to include. Or even multiples also they can ask. They may ask prime multiples. Then prime numbers we have to include. Okay, Chana, next. Next, fill in the blanks. A dash of a number is exact divisor of number. What is the answer, children? Factor. Because factor exactly divides any number, so the answer is factor. So dash is a factor of all natural numbers. So 1, because 1 is factor of any number. The factors of 56 are, so 1 into 56 we can write, or 2 into 28 we can write. With the 3 we cannot write. With 4, 1 is 4 times. 4, with 4 we can write. With 5 we cannot write. With 6 we cannot write. With 7, 8 times 56 we can write. With 8 into 7 means repeated. 7 into 8 repeated. Now no need to count from here. These are enough. These are enough. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. 8 factors are there. That 8 we have to write here. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. All we have to write here. If they ask number of factors, then 8 we have to write. So in mathematical sentence, 3 into 8 equals to 24. So then 24 is the, what is 24 here? 24 is the product. Product also called as, it can also be called as multiple. So they are asking about 24. Product is a multiple of these two. So answer is multiple. The least non-zero multiple of any number is 1. Multiple of any number is 1. Least number. Because highest number we cannot guess. It does not exist. So least multiple is 1. Next children, true or false? The number of factors of a given number are infinite. So if they give any number like 6, the factors of 6 will be less than or equal to 6, like 1, 2, 3, 6. Means they are finite, countable, but they are telling infinite. It is wrong, false. So every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, correct. Every number is a multiple of 1, correct, true. 6 is a factor of 27. 6 cannot divide 27, wrong, false. The largest 2-digit multiple of 9 is 99, correct. Because after 99, 9 11 times 99. After that 9 12 times, it will come 108 will come, which is a 3-digit number. So 99 is the largest 2-digit multiple of 9, correct, true. There exists a natural number which has no factor at all. No factor at all. So natural number starts from 1. For 1 also 1 is a factor. For 1 also 1 is a factor. In natural numbers, there will be no number without factor. So it is false. Next one. List all the factors of 8, 18, 23, 48, 36, 100. So I'll do it for 48 children. Remaining you have to do as a homework. So let's find factors of 48. We can write it as 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, with 5 we cannot write, with 6, 6 into 8, with 7 we cannot write, with 8, 8 into 6, repeated. So no need to write further. These are enough. So what are the factors? Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After that here, 8 from here upwards. First downwards, next right side, next upwards. 8 after 12, 16, 24, 48. 24, 48. That's all. These are the factors. So you can find factors for remaining children. Next, list the first 5 multiples of 7, 11, 12, 16, 18, 20. I'll write for 18. We have to write first 5 multiples of 18. So 18 1, 18 2, 18 3 times, 18 4 times, 18 5 times. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 times 36, 18 3 times 54, 18 4 times 72, 18 5 times 90. These 5 are the first 5 factors of 18. Like that, for remaining numbers also you can write the factors. Do it as a homework, children. Next, determine whether 39 is a factor of 13962 or not. 13962 or not. How can we find factor? By dividing. 13962 we are having, with 13 we have to divide. So 13 1 is 13, 9 we will carry down, but 9 is less than 13, so we can keep 0 here. Next number 6 we can carry down, 96, 13 7 times 91, 5 is remaining. Next number 2 we can carry down, 52, 13 4 times 52, remainder 0. As the remainder is 0, so we can tell that it is a factor. 39 is a factor. Next one, this one you can do it as a homework. You can divide it in the same model and you can find whether it is a factor or not. Next, without actual division, show that this number is a factor of this number. 23 0 0 23. So I'll do this one. Second one I'll do. So here 23 0 0 23. This number is there. This number can be written as 23 0 0. In the place of 23 also we will take two zeros and we will write plus 23. We can write plus 23. So this number also, so 23 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. 5 zeros means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Means we can write it as 23 into 1 lakh. 23 into 1 lakh. We can write it as 23 into 1 lakh plus 23. Plus 23. Or 23, this is one term, this is one term. 23 we can take common. So what is remaining? 1 lakh is remaining. 1 lakh is remaining plus 23 went out, 1 is remaining. So can be written as 23 into 1 lakh 1. We can write it as 23 into 1 lakh 1. So this is written as a product of these two numbers. So this is called multiple. These two are called factors. So 23 is a factor of this one. So without division we have guessed. Okay. Next. Write the 8 multiples of 80. 8 multiples of 80 means 81 one times 80, 82 times 160, 83 times 240. Like that we have to write. First 3-digit even multiple of 7. So we have to write even multiples of 7. Means 7 2 times 14, 7 4 times 28, 7 6 times 42, 7 8 times 56, 7 10 times 70, 7 12 times 84, 7 14 times 98, 7 16 times 112. 112. Because up to here what we are getting? This is 98. This is 2-digit number. But what they are asking? First 3-digit even multiple of 7. Means it should be multiple of 7. And one more thing, even multiple of 7. And it should be 3-digit. Means 112. Because 7 2 times 14, 7 4 times 28. These are all up to 98 are 2-digit numbers. So 112 is the 3-digit multiple of 7 and that is also even multiple. Even multiple. Next. Even multiples of 13 less than 100. You can write 13 into 2, 13 into 4. Like this you can calculate and you can write even multiples. Next. Next one. Odd multiples of 17 less than 100. Odd multiples means 17 once, 17 one time, 17 3 times, 17 5 times. Like that also you can find out. Multiples of 5 between 52 and 76. So multiples of 5 means between 52 and 76 they are asking. So we know that 5 10 times 50, 5 11 times 55, 5 12 times, 5 12 times we can have 60, 5 13 times 65. So 5 14 times, 5 14 times 70. So 5 15 times 75. So 5 16 times 90. 5 16 times 90 means between 5 16 times 80. Between 52 and 76, this 50 we have to remove, 80 we have to remove, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. These 5 multiples are there between 52 and 76. Like that we can count. Next, multiple choice questions. Number of numbers having exactly one factor or. Exactly one factor or. One factor or. Exactly only one factor. Because for 0, 0 can be divided by any number. 0 can be divided by 1, 0 can be divided by 3, 2, 0 can be divided by 3. Means 1 can have many factors. The factors of 2 are 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. The factors of 1 are 1 is divisible by only 1. Only 1. The factors of 3 are 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So, which of the following is having only one factor? C option, 1. Next, sum of factors of 25 are. What are the factors of 25? 125 times, 125 times, next 5 times. So, 1, 5, 25. These three are the factors of. So, we can write 1 into 25, after that 5 into 5. So, 1, 5, 25. These three are the factors of 25. 25 plus 5, 30 plus 1, 31. 31 is the sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Next, 48 is not multiple of 4 into 12. We can write 48. 12 into 4, we can write 48. In 18 table, we cannot write 48. 16 3 times, we can write 48. So, 48 is not the multiple of 18. Not the multiple of 18. Next, greatest 2-digit even multiple of 5. Even multiple of 5. Greatest means 5 into 18, 90. So 5 into 19, 95. So 5 into 20, 100. So what is the greatest? 18 is even multiple. 18 is even multiple. 90 is 2-digit number. So 95 is not, 95 is 2-digit number, but multiple, odd multiple. 19 is odd multiple actually. So that's why even multiple of 5, greatest 2-digit means 90 we can write. D option, 90 is the right answer. Next, higher order skills, HOTS questions. What number am I? I am a 2-digit multiple of 50. Multiples of 50 means 50 one time, 50, 52 times, 100. They are asking 2-digit multiple. So 50 is 2-digit multiple, 100 is 3-digit multiple. So answer is 50. The 2-digit multiple of 50 is 50 only. Next, I am an even number less than 100. One of my factors is 13. One of my factors is 13. My digits are 1 apart. My digits are 1 apart. Factors of one of my factors 13 means we can write 13 1 is 13. 13 2 times 26. 13 3 times 39. Like that 13 6 times 78. Because they are asking my digits are 1 apart. In 13 they are 2 apart. In 26 4 apart. In 39 6 apart. In 78 they are only one number apart, 7 8. And for 78 13 is a factor and 78 is less than 100. So 78 is less than 100. One factor is 13 and digits are 1 apart. So 78 is the answer. Okay children, thank you for watching our video. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel AIMS Today and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.